Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. What are you striving at? Ano ho ba ang mga bagay na inyo po o ating pong pinagsusumikapan? Maybe a lot of us will continue telling ourselves and others, I have been striving as I build my relationship with God. I strive in my work. I strive in my studies. I strive in my relationship. I strive with my own personal issues or problems, or even problems within me or my family. O kaya marahil sasabihin din natin, pinagsusumikapan din natin na patuloy na makipaglaban, intindihin at itaas ang ating mga kanya-kanyang mga karapatan at ating mga dignidad. And to the many things that we are all striving for. And when we come to know or hear that someone is striving, we know that he or she is not going through good or easy days, but through rough days. That such person is doing a hard work. Kinakailangan ng dugo at pawis dahil mayroong isang bagay na pinagsusumikapan. And when we hear of such instances, we know that help shall be made possible. Someone asked the Lord, will only a few people be saved? And Jesus replied to him, strive to enter through the narrow gate. For many, I tell you, will attempt to enter, but will not be strong enough. Parte ng ating buhay bilang mga sumusunod kay Jesus ang magsumikap. Marahil hindi lang sa isang maliit na bagay, kundi araw-araw o kaya sa madaming mga bagay. And what comes as a help to all of us? We've heard our first reading from the letter of Paul to the Romans. The Spirit comes to the aid of our weakness. For we do not know how to pray as we ought, but the Spirit Himself intercedes with inexpressible groanings. Hindi lang pala mag-isang hinaharap ang pagsisikap. Kasama ang Espiritu ng Diyos, tinutulungan tayo sa lahat ng bagay at lalo't higit, tinutulungan tayong ibuka ang ating bibig at puso para tumawag sa Diyos at kumapit sa Diyos. Mga minamahal na kapatid, may mga bagay pong dapat nating pagsikapan. Pero dahil kasama ang Diyos, ang lahat ng mga pagsusumikapan ay harinawa magkaroon ng magandang kalabasan. Knowing that we need to strive to some other things, from our personal problems, from our prayers, from our daily mission, from who we are, our responsibilities and every day. Know that as we strive through such things, the Spirit of God, our Lord Himself, will carry us out, helping us every day, helping us to pray, and helping us to have a courageous and a strong heart, to persevere, to be encouraged, and to be inspired. Patuloy tayong magsisikap, pero hindi ho tayo mag-isang magsisikap. Kasama natin ang Diyos at pagtatagumpayan natin ang lahat ng mga bagay na ating pong pagsusumikapan.